Every day, people invest their money. They invest in businesses, in real estate, in stocks, in retirement funds. All of those investments can be valuable. But there is one investment that offers the greatest return, and many people neglect it. It is the investment you make in yourself, your knowledge, your character, your health, your mindset, your discipline. Money can be taken away. Opportunities can disappear. Markets can rise and fall. But the person you become is an investment no one can ever steal. The greatest asset you will ever own is you. So the question is not, what are you investing in? The better question is, who are you becoming? Part 1: Knowledge is an investment that never stops paying. Imagine planting a fruit tree. You spend years watering it, protecting it, taking care of it. At first, it seems like nothing is happening. Then one season, it begins to bear fruit. Knowledge works the same way. Every book you read, every lesson you learn, every skill you develop may not change your life overnight. But one day, those small investments become opportunities you never imagined. So never stop learning because your mind is the one investment that continues to grow for the rest of your life. Part 2: Your character is your greatest wealth. Many people spend years building their income, but forget to build their character. Money may earn someone's attention, but character earns their trust. Integrity, humility, kindness, discipline. These qualities cannot be purchased. They must be developed. And once they become part of who you are, they become more valuable than anything you own. Part 3: Take care of the person who carries your dreams. Imagine owning the most beautiful car in the world, but never changing the oil, never maintaining the engine. Eventually, it breaks down. Your body and your mind carry every dream you have. Take care of them. Rest when you need to. Exercise. Eat well. Protect your peace. A healthy body and a healthy mind allow you to serve others for many years to come. Part 4: Small improvements create extraordinary results. You do not become better overnight. You become better one decision at a time. Reading 10 pages, learning one new skill, choosing patience over anger, practicing discipline instead of excuses. 1% better every day becomes a completely different person over time. Never underestimate small improvements. They quietly build extraordinary lives. Part 5: Invest in the person you will become. One day your possessions may change, your career may change, your circumstances may change. But wherever life takes you, you will always take yourself with you. That is why investing in yourself is never wasted. Every lesson, every habit, every challenge, every act of discipline is preparing you for opportunities you have not yet seen. Become the kind of person who is ready before the opportunity arrives. The greatest return. At the end of your life, people will not remember how many things you owned. They will remember who you became, the wisdom you shared, the kindness you showed, the integrity you lived, the lives you changed. That is the greatest return on any investment. So do not spend all your time chasing things that can disappear. Spend your life becoming someone whose value continues to grow. Read, learn, serve, grow, improve. Because every investment you make in yourself today becomes a blessing you can share with others tomorrow. And remember this, the greatest investment is not in your wallet, it is in the person you are becoming.